There's a new plan at the Statehouse which would increase the number of people who are mandatory child abuse reporters. News Center 7's John Bedell live this afternoon in Dayton. John, you looked into this plan today and found who would be added to that list of positions required.
Yeah, we're talking elected leaders here, James, all of them here in Ohio, everything from your local village, township, or city hall to county commissioners like, for example, here in Montgomery County, the ones who have their meetings here at the County Administration Building in downtown Dayton, all the way up to the Ohio Statehouse in Columbus. There's now a plan in the works of the Ohio Statehouse in Columbus that would expand the list of Ohioans required by law to report suspected child abuse or neglect. Right now, that long list of professionals includes school employees, healthcare and mental health workers, law enforcement officers, and social workers, among others.
Quite simply, this legislation says that any elected official, if you are elected and in Ohio, you are now required, mandatory, to report any child abuse or neglect.
Miami Valley State lawmaker Tom Young is one of the bill's co-sponsors. His proposal says elected officials have to make the report whether they learn about allegations in their professional or personal dealings. Elected officials would have to report the suspected child abuse or neglect to the proper law enforcement agency or a county children's services agency. The legislation comes after News Center 7 has reported extensively on high-profile child abuse cases tied to the deaths of Dakota Collins and Herschel Creechbaum. Both boys were involved in the child welfare system, and people in their immediate families faced charges. And our reporting uncovered several people raised red flags about their welfare before their deaths.
Well, right now, today, it's all eyes open. I think we're to the point where, quite frankly, you just get tired of it. You get tired of hearing about a murder or an abuse of a child, and we need to be now all eyes open.
Right now, state lawmakers here in Ohio are still on their summer break at the Statehouse in Columbus, and it's important to note this bill's in the early stages. It's been introduced in the Ohio House. It's waiting for a committee assignment in that chamber. Still has a long way to go before getting to the governor's office, but we'll track this bill's progress, and we'll let you know what happens to it. We're live in Dayton this afternoon. I'm John Bedell, News Center 7.